All right, good morning, everyone. I'm here at the new WeWork Monterrey offices on the west side of the city, and today's our big open house, their big open house, so I thought I would show you guys around a little bit. So, turn my camera around. There we are, and here's what it looks like. It's very busy, and there's people everywhere. Let's check out the spectacular view. We have the river down below, Sierra Madre up above. The beautiful bridges. You can give it a little bit of that glare. A little better, right? And what's funny is the charge for the WeWork subscription just popped up on my screen while I was shooting this video. So they're not wasting any time. Beautiful mountain Cerro de la Silla is up in this direction. You can see it out there. The Torres on the other side of the city, downtown, few more kilometers back. A decent view of Cerro de la Silla. We also have nice work tables, plenty of electricity underneath, and hopefully the background noise isn't deafening. That's one of the things I'll be listening for. Some nice furniture here. And because it is open house, we've got a big crowd and lots of great looking food. So let's see what they got here. And it stretches out on over to the patio. Tamales. Oh, I think. Oh, and that's the WeWork dog. Let's see if we can get a little bit of video with him. I'm broadcasting. Can I put him in? Yeah. Estoy grabando un video live en internet.
Ah, yeah. Rocky, sentado.
Aquí.
Rocky, sentado. Sentado. Sentado.
Sentado, por favor. También beso. ¿También beso? Bueno. Dice hola a todos. Ok, bueno. Gracias. Second desk. Like waiters wandering around. Patio, and then another entire side with the kitchen, and then more private office space after. All right, and beer packs. Some more areas out here to work. Looks like some more rentable office space. Doesn't look like a lot's built out quite yet. Oh wow, okay, big screen there. So, hope you enjoyed a little bit of a tour of the new WeWork offices in Monterrey.